Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can move contacts from the SIM card to the phone storage on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So the first thing that we need to do is open the contacts, so you can find it for instance in the app drawer over here. Now we need to tap on these three lines on the left side and then go to manage contacts. Over here choose move contacts. Now we need to select our SIM card and then we need to select contacts that we want to move. So let's select all of them, for instance, or if you want to, you can also select only a couple of them, as you wish. Once you do that, press done in the middle at the bottom of the screen, and then you want to select where to you want to move the contacts. So if you want to the phone storage, select phone, and then press move. Now let's wait a couple of seconds, and there we go. We have the information that contacts have been moved from the SIM card to phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.